Hello guys, welcome back to Afronics. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to design a heading for your academic writing. It could be for your thesis or any professional document in Word document. Just like you can see, we have like chapter 1, and then we have 1.1 followed by 1.1.1 that will be reflecting under that up to H3. We have H1, H2, H3 followed by 1.1.1.1.1. So with that being said, let us dive right in. All right, so let's say this is a document that we would like to work on, and from here we need to adjust from H1 all the way to H5. So if we check at the top here, we can see H1, H2 is also showing, that is heading 1, heading 2 is showing. The other headings are not showing. So what can we do is to go to this at the bottom corner here and click on it. It will show you this box. From here we have, if you hang over, you will see manage styles, style inspector, and new style, but we want to check manage styles. Click on it, then we go to recommendation, we check here, we see heading 1, heading 2 is not showing, so click on show. Heading 3 we say show, 4 show, 5 show, then we say okay. Now we can see heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 all the way to heading 5 are showing, so we close this box. Next will be, we are now going to adjust the headings. So from that, we have to transform this to our liking. So we head on to the side where it says multi-level list, click on the drop down at the corner, then we go all the way to, we get define new level list, so click on that, define new level list. Now this box will show, this is where we will be doing all the work. So we go for more, and we're going to start with the first heading. The first heading is going to be the first chapter, right? We'll just say chapter. Okay, some people put it in a block letter, capital letter, but it depends on you. So let's say I will make it chapter 1. I give chapter space, then it has to go in number. Some people like to use numerals, Roman numerals, or alphabet, depend on you. But for this purpose, we're going to use numbers. So we say number, which means whatever chapter we click on, if it is chapter 1, it will indicate 1 automatically. You don't need to write it again. All right. Then we move on to here. Let's indent. We make it at 0. And then the other additional indent, we also make it at 0. Say okay. Then whenever it says chapter 1, it has to be followed by a space. Put it as a space, and then let's say we make it as chapter 1 like this, then followed by space. Then we move on to link it with a level. We click on heading 1, then we go to font size. The font will be Times New Roman. Okay, then it has to be bold. Then let us make it as 18 font size. Font color will be black. Then we're good to go. We say okay. That has been done. Next will be level 2. In the level 2, we are going to say, if we are under chapter 1, then we go for level 2 will be like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, something like that. So we start first, say clear here. It's going to start from the first level. That means whatever is in the first level will be shown. That is first level. Then put point followed by numbers. Then it has to be, the indent will be 0. All the others will be 0. So okay. Move on to space followed by space. Then it will now be linked to heading 2. Fonts will be Times New Roman. Then we have bold this time around, and this section we make it as 16 as font size. Then black, we're good to go, right? Then we do for the others as well. Go to level 3. We will start from level 1 dot followed by level 2, dot followed by numbers here. Then we make all the others will be 0. Okay, followed by space, link it to level 3, heading 3, link it to heading 3. Then we set the font times. All right, go to bold. This time around it will be 14, followed by black as font color. Okay, now next will be level 4. From level 4, it's going to start from here. We're going to start from the level 1. Okay, followed by dot level 2 dot level 3 dot numbers. Okay, and then all other levels will be 0 indent, followed by a space. We are going to link it to heading 4. Font will be times New Roman bold. This time around it will be 14. Then we say okay, good to go. Next will be level 5. If we click on it, we're going to start from level 1 dot followed by level 2 dot followed by level 3 dot followed by level 4, then dot followed by whatever number that will come next. Then the indent will be 0 for all, space, link it to heading 5. All right, so font will be times bold 12, depend on your choice. Now we say color will be black. Okay, so we are done. We just say okay, that is done. So here's our first chapter, but here we can automatically arrange it like this, and then we can change the color because what we designed was only for this, but for the other parts that has been typed here, we didn't arrange that. But we can change this as well. We make it New Times Roman, but then we put it as 18, right? 18, then it will be bold, the color will be black. Now here, this is our heading 1. Let us remove that H. Okay, now we'll put it in the center. Okay, now from here we can click here and go to right click on chapter, the heading 1, right click on heading 1 and say modify to match selection. Click, so it has been modified. For example, let's say this one also, I want to make it as heading 1. I just click on it and say chapter. So you don't need to change anything from here, right? You just click and click on heading 1. All right, so that is the reason why you need to update it. Now next will be heading 2, or heading 2, we click on it and say H2. See, it's showing 1.1. That means chapter 1, then point 1, another point out of it, that is subsection, right? So we can modify this as well. We use 16 for this, Times New Roman, black, bold, right? Now if you click on it, go to heading 2, you right click and say modify to selection. Then this one also will be automatically, let's say I want to make this as another heading 2. I click on it, automatically it will be shown here, right? Instead of also readjusting it, it will automatically reflect on all the heading 2 in this document, right? All right, now next will be H3. Here's our H3. We can adjust this as well. All right, so this has been set, nicely done. So as we said, that this video is about arranging our headings correctly. So we have H1, H2, H3, H4, and H5 this way. All right, with that being said, thank you for being with us.